Welcome. If you're looking to update your professional profile on X, formerly known as Twitter, and want to remove a work experience entry, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the latest steps to delete your work experience on X, using your PC, following the new update. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser, and head over to x.com. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, look to the left side of your screen. You'll see a menu with several options. Click on your profile. This will take you to your personal page where all your information is displayed. Next, locate and click the Edit Profile button. This is usually found near the top right of your profile page. After clicking, you'll see a new option labeled Edit Expanded Bio. Go ahead and select that. Now, you'll see all the details you've added to your profile, including your work experience. Find the specific experience entry you'd like to remove. Right next to it, you'll notice a small delete icon, often represented by a trash can or an X. Click on this icon. A confirmation message will pop up, asking if you're sure you want to delete this experience. Take a moment to double-check that you've selected the right entry. If you're certain, confirm your choice. And that's it. The work experience entry will be removed from your X profile instantly. This update makes it easy to keep your professional information current and relevant. If you ever need to add or edit experiences in the future, just follow these same steps. Keeping your profile updated is a great way to make sure you're always putting your best foot forward online. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. See you next time.